Alright, we made a wee bit of progress in the last couple days. Let's jump right into it. To be honest, I can't remember where we left off, but I don't know if I've been lackadaisical on the blogging, but I got some beefier brackets in. You may or may not seen. X-axis is done, which you may or may not have seen. And then just today I got these guys welded all swoopy down, and they go to this cross member. I don't know if you can see in the dark, but there's the cross member connecting the two sides of the gantry, and that is the nut up there, and motor. Alright, and then just tonight, so I have X, Y, and Z working 100%, actually kind of quick. Let's see, here is Z, and here is X, slightly faster than before. And here is Z, or here's Y. Unfortunately, still a little herky-jerky. And I have figured out what that is. These bearing blocks, these linear bearings, they're awesome. They're super awesome. And they don't mind being pushed down or sideways, but they don't like being kinked this way. So like that block kinked that way, it is not happy with, and it has to do with these plates getting tweaked when welded. So that's where my crunchy herky-jerky is coming from. It's those bearing blocks, and I gotta get those adjusted. But there's good news. I bought acetate today, and I'm going to make another attempt at trying to get this through the laser cutter without blowing all over the place. Oh, that's going to be that's going to be for shims, and I shaved the beard. Gary just couldn't stand it anymore. What can you do? All right, moving on. Temporary limit switches. I cut some brackets and I got some limit switches in there. Basically, my whole philosophy now is let's get the thing moving. There's no reason to continue welding or tidying up welds or beefing things up or cleaning things up until I know it works. And so at this point, let's get it working. Oh, and for the first time, my cooling fan just kicked on my power supply. It means I'm actually running my motors. I've got a little temporary setup here. Computer, monitor, keyboard. There is the parallel board, the parallel port board right there, and then my motor drivers, and everything is just a cluster of wires. But like I said, just let's get it plugged in and get it working. So, so like I said, I'm not extraordinarily happy with these limit switches where they are, but they work. And then these wires just literally duct taped out of the way. These need. I brought little rubber grommets today, and oh yeah, and these two. These are my threaded inserts that are going to go in here to hold my various fixtures, and it comes, you buy one of these little tools, fits on there, and so this will go through the metal, and then you can hold this tool with the wrench and put a bolt through. And as you pull that bolt tight, and the little threaded part of this insert gets pulled up, it scrunches together and mushrooms out and holds itself in. Oh, and I got some lovely tapestries up too. Once again, cannot for the life of me remember where we are. Oh, and the shop is clean. The robot test deck is almost clean, and the floor is almost clean, and my desk is almost clean. Okay, here, let's get to the good stuff here. Reference all home. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Homing. ET phone home. Oh, that's backwards, by the way. And 3, 2, 1. We're home. Look at that. It homed. That's apparently a big deal. So, like I said, everything seems to be in operation at this point right now. I am watching Mach 3 tutorial videos, and I'm going through Mach 3. I think I have my step rate, my steps correct. I think I have my limit switches correct, wired correctly. At least they're all being recognized. Still got some mechanical adjustments to do, but I think I'm going to actually dive into the software a bit and figure that out before I get too much farther. So that'd be it. Hopefully next couple days, I guess tomorrow will not be a build day. Tomorrow will be a work with Mach 3. See if I can get that figured out, and just I'm sort of coming to the conclusion that things I thought were going to be the easy part are not, and I feel there's going to be some substantial learning curves involved here, and one of them is the fact that I neither know how to I don't know how to design 3D parts, nor do I know how to use any CNC software or hardware for that matter. So so I have to learn some stuff, plain and simple. I mean, I can weld. I weld pretty good. I can figure out mechanical stuff. I'm pretty good at that too. Electrical stuff, I'm pretty good at electrical stuff. But I really had not given any thought to the fact that I have to figure out software. So I think that's it, or at least that's it for tonight's blog post. A lot of stuff to figure out, but I got a machine that's moving pretty well.